Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to this video today. Here is Earncryptoz, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And in this video today, I'm going to be taking you through on how to log in your BYDFI app. So without wasting much time, let's get started. But before we get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you'll be notified each time we post an important video like this. Alright, so now let's go to our BYDFI app. Right here is your BYDFI app. You click on it. Once you click on your BYDFI app, this is your home page of your BYDFI app. And if you're also watching this video, you don't have an account with BYDFI, no worries, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and also get a bonus for doing that. So right now, once you click on your BYDFI app, this is your home page of your BYDFI app. You'll be seeing the login here. So you are just going to click on this login right here. Once you click on your login, you'll be seeing email and mobile. The email means you want to use your Gmail and email to log in. So right here on the mobile, they are telling you to use your mobile phone number to log in. So right now I already have an account with BYDFI, so I'm just going to log in. But if you don't have an account with BYDFI, as I have said earlier, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account with BYDFI and get a bonus for doing that. There will also be a link to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. Link will also be in the description below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification button so you'll be notified each time we post an important video like this. Alright, so right now I'm just going to log in with my email. So right now I'll just input my email right here. I'll just fill in the puzzle. Right now I just inputted my email, so they are going to send me a notification to my Gmail. So right now I'm just going to check my Gmail for the notification. So right now I just inputted the code they sent to me through my Gmail. So right now I just click on confirm. And there you go, you've successfully logged into your BYDFI account. So this is how to log into your BYDFI account once you don't know how to log in. So thank you for watching this video and thank you for staying till the end of this video. Here is Earncryptoz, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market, and there will be a link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. And don't forget, if you're watching this video and you don't have a BYDFI account, there will also be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and also get a bonus for doing that. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button to also be notified each time we post an important video like this. Thank you for watching.